to Decades. I am your loving Daksh. In today's video, I would like to speak a few words about our great engineer, Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Before that, I would like to wish Happy Engineers Day to all. Who is an engineer? According to Sir M.V., an engineer is a person who applies the skills and knowledge of basic science for good of society. Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was born on 15 September 1860 and expired on 14th April 1962. He was a civil engineer and a statesman and the 19th Diwan of Mysore, serving from 1912 to 1919. He received Indians' highest honor, the Bharata Ratna, in 1955. He was knighted as a Knight Commander of the British Indian Empire by King George V for his contributions to the public welfare. His birthday, 15 September, is celebrated as Engineers Day in India, Sri Lanka and Tanzania in his memory. He was the chief engineer of Krishnaraja Sagara Dam and also served as the chief engineer of the flood protection system for the city of Hyderabad. Sir M.V. was a key person for designing and getting patent for a system of automatic floodgates in 1903. Sir M.V. was the architect of the great Krishnaraja Sagara Dam in Mysore. This is his major contributions to Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. He designed a flood protection system for the city of Hyderabad by Musi River. He is the one who designed a plan for a road construction between Tirumala and Tirupati. Sir M.V. played a key role in developing a system to protect Visakhapatnam port from sea erosion. He was responsible for founding Mysore Soap Factory, the Mysore Iron and Steel Works, Sri Jayachamarajendra Polytechnic Institute, the Bangalore Agricultural University and the State Bank of Mysore, which is now SBI. He also commissioned several new railway lines in Mysore state. Based on the instruction by the Government of India, Sir M.V. visited Eden to study water supply and drainage system in 1906 and 7. He was an engineer who had planned the Indian economy in 1934. In 1955, he had awarded independent Indians' greatest honor, the Bharata Ratna, for his impeccable work in the fields of engineering and education. In this way, the entire nation has been benefited by the contributions of Sir M.V. Let's remember his great deeds to the nation and let's follow his principles in our lives too. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you.